Hi, this is Ronald Jackson from SKiHost. I'm just going to talk about Insurtech and how that impacts the insurance industry in South Africa. Insurtech has the ability to change how we think about insurance. If you think how much technology has changed our lives over the past 2 decades, insurance in general did not really keep up with all the technology advances. This is where Insurtech comes in. There's been a lot of hype in the past 5 years with terms like blockchain, AI, Internet of Things thrown around. But in the last couple of years, some innovative companies have actually started to implement certain aspects of Insurtech and starting to change the insurance landscape. New distribution channels are being opened up with enhanced customer experience, and all of this, I think, will lead to the insurance industry growing in general. Insurtech in South Africa is starting to migrate from the talking phase to the doing phase. There are a lot of new tech startups emerging with very innovative ideas. These companies also find it easier to get funding and carriers as the industry sees the potential in them. There's still a lot to do though in the South African market. Apart from a handful of companies that has launched certain portions of Insurtech, most of the projects are either in design or development stages. I suspect that this will quickly change though to products out to the public during the course of 2018 and 2019. The emergence of all the tech startups brings both opportunities and challenges to the insurers in South Africa. Insurers in general, both here and abroad, has not been known to be the most agile companies when it comes to change. I think the biggest challenge to insurers will be to integrate to all the new technology being used by these companies. If you have a closed-off legacy management platform, that might not be the easy task. All the new tech startups also bring lots of new opportunities as well. Insurers can create new innovative products which can open up completely new market segments, and they can leave the distribution of these products to the public in the hands of these innovative companies. Insurtech brings both benefits to the insurance industry. I'll just talk about 2 of the main benefits I see in the short to medium term. The disruptive and innovative distribution models that Insurtech provides has the opportunity to provide insurance products to the uninsured population in South Africa and Africa as a whole. According to the recent statistics, the penetration rate in South Africa is standing at 14%, with most of Africa standing well below 5%. There is a massive market out there that could be targeted if we can manage to design and distribute new innovative products to this market segment. The second benefit I see to the industry is the way that product providers can manage their risk by using various components of Insurtech, like telematic devices, big data, and AI. If you can collect data from the consumer's behavior and are able to analyze data collected and then use this data to fine-tune and personalize the product offering, it will enable the insurance sector to be more profitable and also provides a better product to the consumer. I think the feeling towards Insurtech improved in the last year or 2. When it started, not a lot of people really knew what it entails and what it meant to the industry. As the industry understands it more, I think more and more companies are seeing the benefit and opportunities that technology brings and how it can grow their respective businesses. The most important factor that will determine if you see all the technology advances as a threat or opportunity is your ability and willingness for change. As Charles Darwin stated, it's not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It's the one that is most adaptable to change. I think there will always be the need for brokers and advisors in the insurance industry. Although self-service is a big selling point and the use of bots can cut down administration costs within a brokerage, there's always a need for consumers to talk to a broker on the more complex issues that they might be experiencing. The advisor can use all the technologies available to create comparisons for their clients and personalized products, but the client still wants to get the expert opinion of the advisor on the finer detail of these products. So although the way that the broker and advisor conducts their business might change in the future, the need for them will still be there, and they'll be able to provide better service to their clients by using the technologies that is available.